Troubleshooting the Torrent 50 nozzle. If you experience a drop in system pressure while using the Torrent 50, the first thing to check are the nozzle O-rings. If these fail, the high pressure water can escape from the nozzle block without exiting the nozzle inserts. This can lead to pressure loss. If the O-rings are okay, then inspect the nozzles themselves to see if they are excessively worn. If the nozzles and O-rings appear to be in good condition, we'll next look at the high pressure seals. There are two weep holes on each side of the nozzle that line up with the high pressure seals for the output shaft, and there is one on each side that line up with the high pressure seal for the input shaft. Water exiting from any of these weep holes is an indicator of a failed seal underneath it. Unfortunately, under most conditions, you will not be able to view these weep holes when the nozzle is pressurized. Because the output shaft sees 8 rotations for every 1 rotation of the input shaft, these seals are more likely to fail. If you experience a pressure drop, change these seals along with the backup ring and support ring O-rings first. This will most likely fix the problem. If it does not, then change the input shaft seal and support ring O-ring. If the system makes pressure but the nozzle will not rotate, we need to isolate where the problem is. First, grab the nozzle block and attempt to turn it by hand. It will be fairly stiff, but you should be able to move it. If the nozzle block will not rotate, then you need to first remove the brake housing. This portion of the tool provides all the resistance to slow the nozzle rotation, so it is most likely to be causing the problem. If the nozzle block spins with the brake assembly removed, then you need to disassemble the brake assembly to find out what is causing the problem. If the nozzle block still will not rotate with the brake assembly removed, then you need to remove the input shaft housing and inspect it to see if you can locate the problem.